Here's one you don't see anymore very much. Old Thunderbird. So we are at the Wentzville Rod Run, hosted by Harris Auto and Tire here in Wentzville. Brought the old Comet. Tried to bring the old Willis, but it needs a radiator and it's hot. As you know, we just finished up all the cooling system and everything on that, so it'll take the heat a little better. So you never know what you're going to see out here. A little bit of everything. All right, so let's get down there and start sweating and see what's here. You'll see a little bit of everything out here. Oh, the police officer got a new cart. Right, so all the good ones starting to come through now. Nice little four-door 57. That's pretty. You'll start seeing the cars thin out and change to more of the hot rods. Oh, that's nice. Well, I wish the guy in his Polaris over there, or whatever the hell that is, would turn that garbage down. That's sweet. A really nice old Chevy convertible. That's sweet. No, I wish it was. My guess would be. Nice caddy there. It's hard to keep something that long and straight. See something you guys like, leave it in the comments. That's a beautiful ride there. So the cool thing about that is not chrome, that's been painted. Someone did a phenomenal job with that. It wraps right in there, doesn't it?
Yep. All hand done.
Someone locally do that for you, or?
It was done up in south of Chicago.
Okay.
Even this was trim that was used from the outside. It was taken off.
That's beautiful ride. Oh, old Firebird. There's a beautiful old truck. Let's see. Nice old Chevy pickup. Say a little bit of everything here. Something you don't see very much of, an old Daytona. There we are, old ride with a little patina. Not afraid of being what it is. Fairlane. Oh, that's a sweetheart. Nice ghost flames. So I used to have a 77 Monte Carlo at one time. That's nice. Too bad there's garbage playing in the background. Was it a Bolero? Old Fairlane. So that Meteor I had for a while was the sister car to that one. That's nice. You can hear the word nice quite a bit, so. Well, that thing's on the ground.
Lloyd. Right here.
Yeah. God, that thing's sitting just right. Got the air on. Gotta love it. That thing's been well done also. I like that old Plymouth Valiant. Here in Wentzville, one of the best places to go eat. Duke's. Let's see what they got over here. A couple nice old trucks sitting way over here. Oh, that's a nice interior in that. Little Paxton supercharger on that old Mustang. You always gotta love the old vet. There we go. Old Chevys, old 57s, 55s. Old Nomad sitting over there. Oh, that's nice. Old coupe. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. There we go. Nice old split bumper. And we see this one at the shows quite a bit. Total custom build. Did a nice job on it. Alright, old forward cab converted to a hauler. We've seen that yellow one here before. That's a sweet looking build. I don't think I've ever seen this one here. Oh, it almost looks black. That's a green. This one did a nice job on that. Yeah, that's a no-no. You do see a little bit of everything. Alright, I've seen this cab sitting over here. You love an old Beetle. Well, that parents had it. Well, this is a '59. That is '61. That's beautiful right there too. A lot of nice cool rides here. So this truck that's sitting next to the old Comet, it's got this nice burn effect on the bed. So the old Comet, and it's got that burn effect. Really nice old Chevy. Beautiful old GTX. Well, someone did a great job on that paint job. That's a lot of panel that's straight. will go fast. All right, so that's the Wentzville Rod Run. Get out and drive your junk. If it breaks down, fix it. Just get out and enjoy it. And I'll see you here. We'll be at the Street Machine Nationals in Du Quoin, Illinois next. Hope you enjoyed this. Leave me some comments. Thanks for watching.